Hi guys. Okay. Next to other TMI around IT. So, do you guys know the first website in this world is made at on 1991, and it was created by Sir Tim Berners-Lee, the inventors of the World Wide Web, and it's located at Switzerland. Mm, And the website we can we can we still can the website is still online until now. And if you guys watch it, sorry, sorry, and if you guys search it on internet, you will guys you guys will know um the difference between the old website and now, because the website is really plain. There is in the website is just filled by a header, a paragraph, and some links. There is four links. And okay, the address of website is info.cern. I don't know how to pronounce it, so I spell it cern .ch. You can just search it now, and maybe if you guys open it now, if you guys are programmers, student like me, maybe you guys think that it's easy, easy, cause yeah, it's just filled by the header, paragraph, and an order list. And an order list is filled by the link, some link. But if you guys open the link, yeah, you need to learn again. And mm, the website is hosted at CERN. That's why it's info.cern. CERN is a research place at Switzerland. So I'm gonna show you the website. Wait, wait. Hmm. Eh, we can. Oh no. I'm sorry. I use a TikTok filter. The camera. My camera is really honest, so I don't want to use the real camera. That's why I use a TikTok camera. But can switch. I don't know how to switch. No. How to switch it? I'm sorry, guys. I don't use camera, so I don't really use camera, so I don't really understand. Wait, I want to. I want to find find how to switch the camera. Yeah. Wait. Yeah. This is the website. Sorry. Ah, this is the website. So, if you guys want to switch your camera to become back camera, uh, You just post the video and yeah, yeah, like that. This is the result of the website. I'm sorry, my hands are really shaky, guys, because I'm really nervous. Okay, we gonna open the first link. Um, the first link is explain about what is inside. What is World Wide Web? What's out there? Software product, technical. Oh yeah, you can guys can search it by yourself. Now we're gonna search the second link. Open the second link. Oh, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. You guys know I need to learn again, cause yeah, you need to learn again, guys. Now the third link. Oh, there's TikTok. Maybe the what is behind inside the link is have they already mm, already upgrade because there is TikTok and other social media. While at 1991, I think there is no TikTok. Because if I'm not mistaken, TikTok is made 2016 or 2018 or maybe it's around 2000 and yeah, and maybe when I was elementary school or maybe junior high school. Yeah. So the real one is just the first website, just the home of the website. And now we open the fourth link. Oh, yeah, yeah, okay, okay, okay. We already we already saw the website. So mm, it's really different. The first website is just the home. So mm, it's have a huge difference with the website today. Because of that, guys, don't stop learning. We can do our best. Thank you so much for watching.